Reduce overall saturation slightly before adding any color. This resets the image to a neutral baseline. Use shadows/highlights conservatively, then manually refine with curves masks. For skin, remove redness by targeting the red channel in hue/saturation rather than using skin presets. Correct lens imperfections manually by subtly darkening edges that appear unnaturally bright. Avoid artificial sharpening. Instead, enhance perceived sharpness by increasing midtone contrast through a gentle S-curve. Background cleanup should prioritize realism. Remove only elements that break visual continuity, not every imperfection. Finish by checking the image at 25% zoom to simulate viewer distance.